Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Today I have the ROG Zephyrus G14. It is the fastest and smallest laptop in the world. Now I'm just a lucky person to get this. It's a 1440p screen, it's the WQHD, so I'm just gonna unbox it and see what's inside. Anyone worried about the other stuff that this laptop cannot handle? This is the Ryzen 4900H. Okay. This is the fastest. Look at this unboxing. Wow, damn man. That just opened. Like, look at this. When you open the box, the laptop raised something, bring it up on the hinge. Now, let's just take this thing off. Let's take a look at the spec here. Now this is in Saudi Arabia version. That's what they brought us here. So what we have. And by the way, before I continue, guys, if you want to buy this, and this is not to advertise to anyone, it's for your consumers. Tomorrow is the last day. Today is the last day to buy the Zephyrus ROG G14 from Excite. Go to Excite. Go to their mobile. Just buy it. Not right now, because tomorrow the tax is gonna get to 15% if you're in Saudi Arabia. I got this for 5% because today is the last day. Alright, so let's take a look at the spec here. Now, Asus presented this laptop as like the best, smallest gaming laptop in the world, or fastest. Let's take a look at the processor here. It's a 7nm CPU from AMD, guys. This is the first time you get this small, nanometer. 8 cores actually, 8 cores in a tiny laptop. I'm scratching my head how they did that. Okay, let's continue. 76-watt battery. I don't think this laptop gets so much attention as it's supposed to be. It should get the most attention on all the gaming laptop because it did kill every gaming laptop in the world. So let's continue. Now the version I have is the WQHD 1440p screen. And the beautiful thing about this, because this is with the the RTX 2060 Max-Q, you're supposed to get a 20 Hertz screen, and is gonna get you the 60 frames on 1440p. Now, not only for gaming. Now, I got this because it does everything. The screen itself. So, in my case, if I work on, for example, design, or you want to make some rendering, you need to see the best on the screen. So let's say the screen nits has to go way higher than, like, for example, 250 that you have in the Full HD, and the color is gonna pop really good, and it's more better resolution in general. So that's what am I looking for. At 14-inch to get a gaming screen, 120 Hertz, I don't think it does matter, because if you want to go gaming, you should just get a 17-inch and above, or maybe just game on a 24-inch or a 32-inch screen, like big screen. Gaming, if you want to play game like a serious person. But if you want to love watching better resolution, better color, high contrast, better screen in general, you should just get the 1440p at 14-inch. That's my opinion. Even text, like for example, Excel sheet and all that stuff, is gonna be way easier to watch with your naked eyes. Some people just wear glasses just to see the 1080p on the small screen, or just 1080p on the laptop, because the pixels are just way low. So higher pixel density is actually better, in my opinion. Wi-Fi 6 we have here, so we have very fast connection, and also we have the 65-watt Type-C, so you can charge through Type-C as well. If any charges with Type-C around, you can just plug it if you forgot about the charging, which is really cool, man. They did this. Dolby Atmos sound move around you. Now Dolby Atmos, we have quad speakers, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Very high quality, which I've heard before. This is the look at it. Beautiful, nice looking laptop. I like the size of it. I like the size so much. It's very portable. You can just put it in your bag, and backpack or small bag, whatever, man. It fits everywhere, which I really love. Now the unboxing experience is beautiful. Look at this hinge over here. So this hinge lifts the laptop, and this is when you open the laptop, the hinge is gonna lift the laptop itself for cooling. So what you have here, looks like it's just papers. There's something inside. Yeah, babe. That's just papers, man. Told you. I know the papers when I hear them. We have on the right side. Oh, we have the charging brick. We have the charging brick. It's a very nice size also. It's not that heavy. It's very nice. I think Asus really put their heart and soul on making this very, very portable gaming laptop. I really commend them for doing such thing, because the fact they did release this type of laptop, now we're gonna see a lot of competition going on. MSI, Omen, HP, all these other companies gonna try to do something like this, break the record, right? I don't know. That's laptop is just beyond beautiful. I guess that's about it, guys. Now here we have the cables. That's the cables of the charger. That's about it. Do we have something underneath this thing? Oh, it's just the design. I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it. So I'm just going to do some testing later on. Stay tuned. Hit the bell icon. I'm gonna drill this laptop. I'm gonna show you the 1440p experience with it. Do some gaming. Do some emulation. See how this thing is going. And also, I have other cooling solution for you, because I hear a lot of people say, "Oh, this is so hot." Okay, I have other cooling solution for you. So later on. So keep in touch, guys. Please subscribe and share and like, and see you guys later.